I woke up this morning and it's raining out, so I decided to give myself a nice pampering skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So on rainy days when I want to relax, I love to make myself a cup of tea. Chamomile is my absolute favorite. It has really great benefits. It definitely helps to reduce stress, and I feel like it helps to reduce any anxieties that I have for the day. And these bags are so cute. While my tea is brewing, I like to think about the things that I'm going to do for the day. Should I take a bubble bath? Should I read a book? What are the things that I'm going to do to relax myself? So I decided that I want to take a nice bubble bath and treat myself to some skincare. Step 1, use a cleanser that works best for your skin type. It's extremely important to know your skin type, that way you can find the right products that work for you. I have combination acne prone skin. Today I'm going to be using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser. It's really rich in amino acids and it's perfect for all skin types. Amino acids give you a really nice healthy appearance. It helps to maintain the skin's hydration, texture, resilience, and it just makes you glow. I love it. Now I'm steaming my face, that way my cleanser could go really deep into my pores. I'm going to give myself a little facial massage to help the blood flow and circulation, and also it's so relaxing. Love the skin you're in, and trust me, it will love you back. Step 2, exfoliate. Exfoliation is such an important step in skincare. Today I am using the Dermalogica Gentle Cream Exfoliant. I love this exfoliant. It's a chemical exfoliant, therefore it's non-abrasive and very gentle on the skin. I'm applying a thin layer to my face, and I'm going to let this sit on for 10 to 15 minutes. When you exfoliate your face, you want to make sure you avoid your eye area. Your eye area is super sensitive and you do not want to harm that skin. And don't forget to exfoliate your neck as well. Step 3, tone. This is the Multi-Active Toner by Dermalogica. This will help to restore my skin's pH balance. Step 4, apply a face mask. I'm using the Au Natural Skincare Hydrating Watermelon Face Mask, and it also has vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and brown spots, and it helps to even out your overall skin tone. I love this mask. It literally smells like watermelons. Like, I wish I could eat it, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. I'm leaving this mask on for 10 minutes. Step 5, apply a serum. Today I'm using the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. It's collagen boosted with a true C complex. Today my mask and my serum both have vitamin C. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation going on my cheek right now because I did break out due to hormonal reasons and due to stress with everything going on in the world right now. Now I'm using a face roller. Face rollers are really good with helping with wrinkles, acne, helping skincare products to absorb really easily into the skin, and they really help with under eye circles. Step 6, apply an eye cream. I'm using the Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream. It has vitamin C and it's collagen boosted. Collagen helps to reduce any visible wrinkles, and it also helps to increase blood flow to your skin. Step 7, and this is my final step, apply a moisturizer. I'm using the Dermalogica Active Moist Moisturizer. This is a oil-free, lightweight moisturizer, meaning that it's not too heavy on the skin, so I absolutely love it. Now I'm pressing in my eye cream with the Finishing Touch Vibrating Facial Roller. It comes with an attachment that's just for the eye area. This is helping to produce blood flow and circulation around the eyes so my eyes can look nice and bright. Now I feel so relaxed. It's always good to try to find that little time for yourself and pamper yourself if you can. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.